In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install and use Qwen 3.8 Max on Windows operating system. To download the software in Google search box right there, Qwen, they go on this Qwen AI site. AI site and there, let's do the escape. Here, you need to click on this download button, and here you can do with this artifact research, image generation, video generation, and now this available for mobile, desktop, such as Windows and Mac. Let's click on this Windows. So here you can see the file is currently downloading. The total size 119 MB. Simply you need to click on this exe file and wait for a few second times. So you can use this. Second, that's fine. Click on install. So Qwen is now installing. So by using this, you can easily use the Qwen 3.8 Max. So this is done here. Let's uncheck here, finish Qwen icon that's created. Double click to this. So Qwen 3.8 Max that's come there. Test with the high. So here you can get the. So this is now generating user. This is stay logout currently I'm using this. Now let's ask another question, how to learn coding, and this is my second question. Now you can see Qwen 3.8 Max that's come there. So this is all returning there. So this is how we can do the installation of Qwen 3.8 Max. Okay, so this is how you can do the installation of Qwen 3.8 Max on Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.